So depending on what you want to do with MailChimp is really going to determine which type of account you need to choose. Initially, when you set up your account, it's going to be based on the forever free model. So let's go over here to up here, see where it says Sam's Udemy demo. Go ahead and click on that and go to account. And then you can see here that you have what's called the forever free plan. And it allows you up to 2,000 subscribers to actually mail out to for free, and up to 12,000 sends per month for free. Okay, so if you wanted to upgrade, you go ahead and click right here, upgrade account, and it's going to show you the other options you have. You can do a monthly, or you could do a pay as you go. So monthly is kind of the same as the forever free plan. Um, but it also allows you to delete the MailChimp logo at the bottom of the email and make the emails that you send out kind of more your own. And it's good for businesses that want to do their own branding. If you are really, really tight on a budget and just want to do things as cheap as possible, you could stick with the forever free plan, and then you could always upgrade anytime you want to the monthly. Then you also have the option for pay as you go. And this is really not something I would recommend because it's designed for infrequent senders. The whole point of making a mailing list is to send frequently and make sure you stay on top of all of your clients in terms of mailing to them and or all your customers. So I would never recommend infrequent sending. That's just kind of, doesn't make sense. But for very specific situations, it may work for you. And then there is MailChimp Pro, which is something that, it's for someone who's a lot more heavy into this. It starts at 199 a month, and I would not recommend this until you have learned the basics and then you're ready to take things to the next step. So this is really where you should start, and we're just going to leave it on free for now, and show you what you can do with that. And the monthly would be something that would make sense if you were ready to uh, kind of take it to a little bit more of your own branding, but not necessarily you're not you don't need to be a really huge user yet, which is what you really would need to be to uh, make any use of this in terms of value. So let's keep it there for now and move on to the next step.